All right, YouTube Nation, what's up? So I got my Evo 9 here. Reverse lights stopped working, and it was both of them. So didn't think it was the bulbs. Thought it might have been a fuse. Went and checked the fuse under the driver's compartment. Fuse 3, it was good, not blown. So went online, did some research, and found out there's a reverse switch. Seems some other people had this same issue. It's this little switch right here, right there. I have a mini battery kit already, so didn't have to take much out. It was already exposed. Um, it's really simple. Unplug the connector, push it on the tab, connector comes off. This is actually the new one. I've already put the new one in. This was the old one. This is the culprit right here. There's nothing to it. I mean, it's so easy a caveman can do it, really. The only thing I will say is this was my factory reverse switch. It was a 15/16 to take it out, socket, deep socket. You're gonna need a deep socket. I had to go to Lowe's and get me another set. And the new one I got at AutoZone was like 13 bucks. This was a 7/8 deep socket. So only real major difference. Of course, it's always something like that. Other than that, tighten it down, snug. I didn't even torque it. Put a little anti-seize on it just in case. You don't have to go crazy. It's not a moving part, so tighten it, pop on your connector, and reverse lights work now. So hope this helps anybody else having the same issue.